growing up in Margs and shooting slabs like the box, they were the spots back then. And then when we got introduced to waves down here, you just got bored shooting around home. You end up just travelling all the time. Come down here when it was breaking, just because it's the intensity. It's just so much bigger, so raw. Well, it's a deep water reef, so that's why the first few months or first few times we went out there, we didn't even see it. I mean, fishermen go and fish right in the spot, on the zone, on that reef, and don't even see a wave. So it only breaks when it gets, 10 to 12 foot, and it comes alive. Other than that, it's just a mill pond out there. So it's just comes so out of deep water, and then hits that reef, explodes. And I mean, yesterday, it's a grey and gloomy day, and all of a sudden a wave comes and the biggest green lip. It's incredible to watch. As it's gone through a few changes, I think. It's gone from the crazy tow section, and now even they're starting to paddle waves that you just like. They're just madness. So I can't wait for the first paddle wave out here at the right. It'll happen. It'll happen eventually for sure. Oh, it's right up there. It's a crazy wave, like the thickness and and that's not even counting great whites that frequent the area and stuff like that. But yeah, it's right up there with crazy. But it's a surfable slab. It's not, we've moved on from Cyclops a little bit because it's just too deadly. People will die. I mean, people can get seriously injured out here, but you've got way more chance of making a really nice wave.
Oh! Woo! Who's that coming out?